Children are born with math abilities. That should make learning interesting and compelling. But for most, it is not. Sadly, rote memorization impedes real understanding of math ideas. Mostly, it raises fear of making mistakes and failing. Math anxiety affects more than half of elementary school students. I hate math. I'm not good at math. Math is boring. By the fourth grade, more than 60% of students give up on their ability to learn math. The way we teach math creates a disconnect between math and a culturally diverse student population, students' everyday experiences, and what truly matters to children. Math stories for diverse minds and cross-cultural understanding. Math Explorers' stories were validated in our field research. The teachers witnessed how students learned from one story math concepts they struggled with in one semester. Students were excited about making sense of problems with math ideas because we chose an approach that children love, being read stories. Multicultural characters connect to a diverse student population. The plot, characters, and contexts are fueled by math ideas. Math stories intersect literature and mathematics. The story text came alive with math applications. Context and dialogues integrate math concepts, words, and images. The story characters face challenges needing children's help through math solutions. Story-based games and design activities enrich learning, preparing learners to solve open-ended challenges that set the stage for exploring multiple math strategies. Games and activities based on the story cultivated positive social interactions, diminishing the gender divide between boys and girls. Questions such as how many ways can you get 10 allowed students to discover numerous number combinations and wrote these in equations. By making math sense of the situations and challenges, the stories guided the unraveling of math ideas, such as organizing objects into sets, equal, not equal, and equations. Math practice, modeling, and generalizing made it possible for children to comprehend the value of math at both concrete and abstract levels. Discussions were elevated to the commutative and distributive properties of addition, achieving meaningful and transferable math learning. More importantly, the students enjoyed math learning and wanted more.
Staying here.
No, today's our last day for...
No. We're staying here. No. We're staying here. We're staying here forever. No, I'm gonna take that other one home and do the last shirt.
Okay.
I already did my flag. I already did my shirts. Because when you said we're done doing our shirts, I did all of it quick. I was